that silly man. Oh, yes, there you are.
Yes, I'm King Shabalala Ding Dong. There.
What message have you brought me?
My wife wants some good milk. Can I have some good milk?
I will get that to her right away.
Wait, I bring you this milk as a present. What is this? What is this? This is good milk. Me ask the lemon. Don't touch the milk like that. Kill you. Tush, tush. Get out here.
This is an outrage to my country.